Hello everyone and welcome back to the 2-minute video series on the FAQ app. In this video we are going to take a look at Zendesk integration with the FAQ app. So in this what we're going to demonstrate is when the FAQ app is not able to understand a particular customer's input, it's going to retry for some time and then it's going to collect the information and create a contact within the Zendesk ecosystem, as well as capture the entire chat transcript as a particular task in Zendesk and associate it with the contact itself. In the last videos in this particular series, what we have seen is how to create an Excel file to basically collect all your data for FAQ. Using that Excel file, how you can create your knowledge base within the Bot Studio. In the third video, we have taken a look at using that particular knowledge base within a particular conversation and enabling the FAQ. In the fourth video, we have seen how we can deploy that particular conversation, how you can deploy it on your website, how you can do the integrations and all of these things. So I already have a deployment which is integrated with Zendesk, and we already have a link of client chat widget link out here, which you can click and open the live chat environment. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to try some statement from food industry. As we have trained the bot in travel industry, it won't be able to recognize these statements. So the bot is not going to find any FAQ related to this particular question of I want pizza. So that's why it's basically saying I'm sorry, I'm unable to resolve your particular request. Now this particular deployment has been configured to retry 2 times before the bot starts taking a look at if there is any human agent available on the live chat software. As there are no human agents currently available on the live chat software, it's basically saying that I'll be capturing your details and I'll arrange a callback. So now it's asking me for my name. Similarly, it will now collect, after the name, it will collect my business email address. So I'm just going to provide my business email address, and then it's going to collect my phone number. I'm just going to provide a dummy one out here. With this, it's now going to create a contact within the Zendesk ecosystem. It's going to create and it's going to capture all the chat transcript and associate it with that contact. It's asking me if I need something else. I'm just going to say no, and I'm going to close this particular chat widget. Now I'm just going to open the Zendesk UI. So this is the Zendesk UI for us. Here I'm just going to refresh. So this is the Zendesk UI for all the contacts. Now you can see that there is a new contact that is created out here, Ninad Shah, ninad@amplifyreach.com. So if I just click this particular contact, a new Zendesk UI will pop up, which will show all the details on the customer. Now with this, you'll also be able to see that there is a ticket that is created, which is created just less than a minute ago. And if I open this particular ticket, this ticket has been marked as high because there is an open thing that is required. So, and this ticket status is basically as open. Here we have also captured all the chat transcripts, so the agents that are sitting on your Zendesk platform can take a look at all the open tickets where the customer queries were not resolved by the chatbot, and they can follow up with the customers and close the queries from here itself. So this is from the Zendesk integration perspective. Now, if the bot is able to resolve a FAQ or any of the conversations successfully, what it does, it still creates a ticket within the Zendesk ecosystem, but instead of marking it as open, it marks it as closed, and instead of marking the priority as high, it marks the priority as low. So even all your chat transcripts are also residing on your Zendesk ecosystem that is there. So if you like this particular video series, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.